percent yield, and limiting reactant.
Good
Mark
morning,
Diane
everyone.
to
I am
speak.
here to discuss about percent yield. Percent yield is the percent ratio of actual yield to the theoretical yield. It is calculated to be the experimental yield divided by theoretical yield multiplied by 100%. If the actual and theoretical yield are the same, the percent yield is 100%. Usually, percent yield is lower than 100% because the actual yield is often less than the theoretical value. Reason for this can include incomplete or completing reactions and loss of sample during recovery. It is possible for percent yield to be over 100%, which means more sample was recovered from a reaction than predicted. Percent yield is always a positive value. This is the formula of percent yield. Percent yield equals to actual yield divided by theoretical yield times 100%, where actual yield is the amount of production obtained from chemical reaction, and theoretical yield is the amount of product obtained from the stoichiometric or balance equation using the limiting reactant to determine product. Units for both actual and theoretical yield need to be the same, like moles or grams. The composition of magnesium carbonate from 15 grams. This is my sample problem. The composition of magnesium carbonate from 15 grams of magnesium oxide in an experiment. The theoretical yield is known to be 19 grams. What is the percent yield of magnesium oxide? Percent yield equals 15 grams divided by 19 grams times 100%. 0.79 times 100% equals percent yield equals 79%.
Princess Joyce
Hi
Medina.
guys, so we're tackling about limiting reactant or limiting reagent. So what is limiting reactant or limiting reagent? So in a chemical reaction is a reactant that is totally consumed when the chemical reaction is completed. The amount of product formed is limited by this reagent since the reactant or the reaction cannot continue without it. So we have a problem number 1. What is the limiting reagent? If 78 grams of Na2O2 were reacted with 29.4 grams of H2O.
So we have 78 gram times 1 mole divided by 77.96 gram equals 1.001 moles of Na2O2. And we also have here 29.4 grams times 1 mole divided by 18 grams equals 1.633 moles of H2O.
So B, assume all of the water is consumed by 1.633 times 2 divided by 2 or 1.633 moles of Na2O2. are required because there are only 1.001 moles of Na2O2. It is the limiting reactant.
And we have here the 78 gram Na2O2 times 1 mole Na2O2 divided by 77.96 gram Na2O2, and then times 4 mole NaOH divided by 2 mole Na2O2 times 40 gram NaOH divided by 1 mole NaOH. So the result is 80.04 gram NaOH.
And that's all for today. I hope you learned something new. And I guess it's already done. So bye guys. Thank you for watching.